In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest desktop. If you enjoy browsing Pinterest at night or simply prefer a darker interface to reduce eye strain, this quick walkthrough will help you switch to a sleek, low glare look using a Chrome extension. Start by opening Pinterest on your desktop in Google Chrome. Having the site open while you set things up makes it easy to see the change the moment dark mode is enabled. With Pinterest loaded, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This is the main browser menu, and it's where we'll access the tools needed to install a dark theme. From that menu, hover your mouse over Extensions. A small panel will appear with options related to managing and discovering extensions. In that panel, click Visit Chrome Web Store. Chrome will open a new tab to the official store where you can safely add trusted features to your browser. This is the best place to find a dark theme tool that applies to websites like Pinterest. In the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top and type Dark Theme. You'll see a variety of results. Click on an option named Dark Theme that's designed to turn websites dark rather than just changing the browser's frame. Checking the description and reviews can help you confirm it does what you need, specifically that it inverts or restyles page colors for better readability at night. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation will pop up. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install it in a moment. You may see a brief notification confirming it's ready, and an icon may appear near the Puzzle Piece Extensions button in your toolbar. Now turn on the dark theme. Many dark mode extensions include a simple on-off toggle in their pop-up. Click the extensions icon and switch it on. Some tools enable automatically the first time they're added. If so, you'll notice the change right away. With the dark theme active, return to your Pinterest tab and you should see backgrounds and interface elements shift to darker tones, making pins and text easier on your eyes in low light. That's all there is to it. You opened Pinterest, used Chrome's menu to visit the web store, searched for a dark theme, added it to Chrome, and switched it on. If you want a slightly different look, most extensions offer adjustable darkness levels or site-specific controls so you can fine-tune Pinterest to your preference. Enjoy your new dark browsing experience.